Namaste Gurukulians, welcome back in the video number 8 of chapter number 5 Geography class 8th. Dear students, in our previous video we had discussed about cotton and textile industry. Dear students, in that video we came to know more about cotton and textile industry. We came to know where cotton textile industries are established, but now we will discuss about two major cities of the world. One is about Ahmedabad and second is about Osaka, which is one of the well-known city of Japan. Let's come to know about Ahmedabad. Dear students, Ahmedabad is one of the main city of Gujarat. This city is established on the bank of the river Sabarmati. Ahmedabad is located on the bank of Sabarmati. It is one of the most important city of Gujarat from the viewpoint of cotton and textile industry. My dear students, this city is providing a very good location to the establishment of cotton and textile industry. Dear students, a cotton and textile industry, cotton and textile industry was set up or established in the year of 1859 in this city. This city is a second successful city of India after Mumbai, where second cotton textile industry was set up. Dear students, Ahmedabad was often referred as Manchester of India. Dear students, Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India. Why it is known as Manchester of India? Because of its good quality cotton textile, it has been referred as cotton textile of India, Manchester of India. Dear students, Gujarat is the producer of cotton. It means availability of the raw material is easily available near to Ahmedabad. Means near to Ahmedabad, so many areas are there which are the producer of cotton. Availability of raw material easily available, and you can say skilled, semi-skilled and skilled labors are easily available because Maharashtra and Gujarat are densely populated states of India. Latest technology is also available, and this is not far away from Mumbai. The goods which are manufactured in Ahmedabad are exported from Ahmedabad to Mumbai port, and from there it is exported to the various countries of the world. My dear students, Ahmedabad is the city where so many other industries are there. Even many cotton textile industries are there, Reason, availability of raw material, good facilities of roads, transportation facility, skilled and semi-skilled workers, well-known engineers, and dear students, the most important thing is good market also available in the Ahmedabad. Nowadays, Ahmedabad cotton mill is facing few problems. What are the reasons behind those problems? We will discuss in this video. The first important thing is that many cotton mills from the Ahmedabad are shut down nowadays. Due to the emergence of new cotton mills in the various parts of India, these cotton mills are shut down. And the second important thing is that non-upgradation of technology. So these are the two main reasons. Because of these two reasons, Ahmedabad cotton mill is facing problem. So dear students, this is all about Ahmedabad, one of the well-known city of Gujarat. Now let us move to the another country of the world, and one more important city of the world is Osaka. My dear students, Osaka is one of the important city of Japan. Osaka is known as Manchester of Japan. In India, Ahmedabad is known as Manchester of India, and in Japan, Osaka is known as Manchester of Japan. Dear students, so many cotton textile industries are established in Osaka. As I told you, because Osaka gets imported raw material cotton from India, Egypt, USA, China. So these are the countries from where Osaka gets raw material. Latest technologies are there in Osaka for cotton and textile mill. Skilled, semi-skilled workers are easily available in Osaka, and it has good facility of transportation. Transportation facilities are there in this area. It has a very good plain areas which are providing the ideal location to the establishment of industries, industrialization and urbanization. Dear students, Yodo is the name of the river. Yodo river ensure regular supply of water to Osaka. Means cotton textile mill of Osaka is getting the water from the Yodo River. This is one of the important river of Osaka. And dear students, after manufacturing the goods, these are exported to the various parts of the various countries of the world. The quality, fine quality, the quality is very fine of Osaka and cheap price. These are the two reasons. Because of these two reasons, the goods which are manufactured, especially of cotton textile clothes, these are liked in the many countries of the world because of good quality and cheap price. Dear students, these are the reasons. Because of these reasons, Osaka is having a very good name in the world. Apart from this industry, many other industries are there in Osaka. These are automobiles, shipbuilding, chemical industry. So many other industries are there which are established in Osaka. So dear students, these are the two important cities, one in India and second in Japan, which are popular, well known for their best quality, for their fine quality. The goods which are manufactured in these two cities are exported in the various parts of the world. So this is all about Ahmedabad and Osaka. Once more I am going to recap, going to highlight the points of these two cities. Ahmedabad is well known because of its good quality of cotton. It is also often referred as Manchester of India. It is established, this city is located in Gujarat on the bank of the Sabarmati river. The first mill was established in Ahmedabad in 1859, but it was the second, you can say, successful cotton mill in India after Mumbai. Ahmedabad was referred as Manchester of India. It has good location for cotton and textile industry. Semi-skilled and skilled laborers are easily available, but nowadays Ahmedabad is facing few problems. One is non-upgradation of the technology, and the second thing is that emergence of new industries in the various parts of India. Now about Osaka, as I told you, Osaka is one of the important city of Japan. It is known as Manchester of Japan. Osaka gets the raw material from India, Egypt, USA, China. It gets imported cotton, and it has a good facility of transportation. Yodo River provides the sufficient water to the industry which is established in Osaka. Apart from cotton and textile industry, so many other industries are established in this place. These are automobile industries, chemical industries, shipbuilding, and many more. So dear students, if you have any queries from this topic which has been taught to you, you may ask question to me. The rest of the things of this chapter we will discuss in the next video. Till then, goodbye.